Hey, so I'm doing this color version of the Enter the Dragon stuff, and I'm using that palette right there. Something very simple. Cool, huh? Here's what the end version looks like. Everyone's fully colored. I don't do digital art. This is the first time I do it. Haha. It is indeed an interesting thing. I'm using this thing called multiply. So I guess if you multiply, you can like paint behind it. So yeah. My favorite one is well, I love Bolo. Love that guy. Bruce came out great. Yeah, cool. I'll turn off the background. Let's see. Let's give it another background. Maybe like white. Let's see here. Just keep it simple, right? I don't do color. Never do. This is the first time. There you go. White. Let me get rid of some blending options here. There you go. So that's what it looks like all in white. And this is what it looks like in the background. Alright. I hope you enjoyed the Enter the Dragon drawings. I'm gonna possibly do more because I'm not done. I think I'm gonna do those other like Van Damme movies, Bloodsport, and I'll probably do the Bruce Leroy with Shonuff. I'll probably do that one too. And then I'll probably export these so I can make a poster out of these, and then I'll hang it up on my wall. I've never ever hung up anything on my wall. This will be the first for me. All right. Well, I hope you all enjoy. Thank you.